Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to clean at front where the reserve wheel is. We clean it up a little bit, do some fresh paint on it so it will be nice and de-rusted again. If you didn't subscribe already, subscribe, like it, share it, click on that bell to get the notifications for next videos, and thank you very much again for every follower and subscriber to help me do these videos, to make this possible also. I'm not sponsored in any way, I do it all by myself. I buy everything, so it's a very expensive thing with an oval, and Phoenix is liking it that he gets the good stuff. So yeah, enjoy the video and let's get started. Well, to clean this up, I need to get rid of all the electric cables, and they're still original. I will see how good they are or what we can do with it. But they are attached here and behind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bent over pieces from the body, so I will just open them a little bit and try just to do it. I will not overdo it because I don't want to crack them off. Oops, yeah, there we have one already. Okay. So we take the electric out and two here on the side. These are bigger ones. Oops. Okay. This cable is out. Put that aside here. Now we can do a little cleanup. Not too much rust. This one also. What we will use for that, that's I don't know if you can see it, Scotch Brite XT-ZS. So this takes the paint off and the rust, but will leave as much as iron on it. You have to be careful to not snap those off. We'll see how that goes. Use a mask for your health. Okay, now we're going to vacuum it a little bit. Now for the corners, and I cannot get very deep with the drill, so I take this one. It's also from 3M. That's a Rolock Bristol disc. I just have them in 3 colors. yellow, white and green. Don't know what, let's see if it says something about, no. But I know one is very aggressive and the other two are less aggressive. But this green is really good to get the paint off. Let's see what the yellow does, if it goes smoother or what. Let's see. Now I'm taking some P40. First of all, we have here a little dot. Corner. All the rest is very good. Now we have this one here. So as you can see, there's a lot of rust in the corners, so I will get rid of it. Now we're going to degrease it. All the rust is for 95%, yeah, 95% is gone. A bit thinner, greaser. Okay, this one stinks. Let me so blow some air so it will dry up. Now we're going to tape it off. Why is that? Because I will use the raster. I don't want that on the paint that I already had. So now I start with Brunox, and I first do the corners that are heavily to get access to, and I put a fine layer on it. Oh, really mean this? Yeah, I mean this. I forgot to tape that off. Man. As you can see, too fast is not good enough. So the spare reel case is done. It's in epoxy Brunox now. I let it cure for a few days and then I will repaint it with the black L041. So thank you for watching, and we'll see what the next video will be. Don't know if it will be the chassis back underneath the body or some body work while the chassis is underneath it. So you will see that in the next video. So thank you a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, share it, and see you in the next video.